Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to make ube kalamay. First, we're going to make the LATIK. So I'm heating a wide nonstick pan over medium heat, and I'm going to cook the coconut milk until it turns into curd. I'm going to bring it to boil while stirring it occasionally. So here you can see that it's now turning into curd and the oil starts to come out. I will now lower the heat and continue to cook until it turns brown. This is done, so I will now turn off the heat and I will remove it from the pan. Using a strainer, I'm going to separate the curd and the coconut oil. Then I will now set this aside. Using the same nonstick pan over medium heat, I'm going to combine the coconut milk and 2 cups of glutinous rice flour. Stir until well combined. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup water and 1 cup white sugar. Give it a stir until the sugar is dissolved. Add the grated ube or purple yam and continue to stir. I'm adding 2 teaspoons ube flavor to give more color. Now I'm just going to stir this until it's well blended. I will continue to cook this for about 20 minutes until it thickens. Remember to keep stirring to avoid burning and sticking from the pan. You may add more ube flavoring as needed. Alternatively, you can also use purple food coloring. Just keep on stirring. It's going to be a little bit of arm work, but I can assure you it will taste good. At this point, it is now very sticky and it's hard to stir, so I think we are done. I will now turn off the heat. I will transfer our ube kalamay in a greased pan or molder. So I'm going to brush some cooking oil into this molder. Then I'm going to put the ube kalamay into the molder. Using a spatula, evenly spread the kalamay. Lastly, top it with LATIK or the toasted coconut curd and allow it to cool down completely. Slice it into serving pieces and enjoy this delicious ube kalamay. Now it's my favorite part. I'm going to try it. Look at this amazing kakanin. It has a soft and sticky texture and it has a mouth-watering bright purple color. It also has a little bit of crunch from the LATIK. So that's how we make ube kalamay. I hope you like this recipe and you can try it as well. Comment down below if you have any recipes that you would like me to do next. And to be updated, follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. Don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you will be notified when we release new videos. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Thank you.